3, 2, 1, start. A comparison of the two provisions would show that while under the explanation as it originally stood, in order to deprive the Chief Minister of his right to tender the advice for dissolution, it was necessary that a resolution for vote of no confidence should have been moved against him, but after the amendment, the Chief Minister stands debarred from tendering advice for dissolution if only a notice or resolution for vote of no confidence had been given, though the resolution itself may not have been moved. Full stop. New para. At the very outset, it may be stated that if the argument of learned counsel for the respondents that the notice in terms of the explanation means only a verbal notice given at the floor of the assembly is accepted, it would render the amendment made in the explanation as redundant. Full stop. Redundancy, it is well settled, cannot be attributed to any legislation, much less to the constitutional provisions. Full stop. New para. The amendment made was not without any purpose. Full stop. It will be appreciated that under Article 112 of the Constitution, there is no requirement that the Chief Minister should render the advice only during the office hours or at a particular place. Full stop. But under the explanation in its unamended form, the Chief Minister was placed under disability only if a resolution for vote of no confidence had been moved, which of course can be done only when the assembly was in session. Full stop. It was therefore, possible for the Chief Minister, on having learnt that a resolution for vote of no confidence was to be moved against him in the session of the assembly, to forestall it by advising dissolution and thereby render futile the impending move for no confidence against him. Full stop. The amendment was clearly made with a view to obviate the possibility of any such attempt on the part of a Chief Minister. Full stop. New para. It is, therefore, not possible to agree with the learned counsel for the respondents that notwithstanding the amendment in the explanation, the notice contemplated has to be constituted a notice verbally given on the floor of the assembly when it is in session. Full stop. Such an interpretation as canvassed by the learned counsel for the respondents would defeat the very intention for which the amendment was brought about. Full stop. New para. It may also be stated that the restricted interpretation being placed by learned counsel for the respondents upon the words in the assembly as meaning the assembly in session is not borne out from a reading of the Constitution full stop. If the intention indeed was that the notice must be given only while the assembly is in session, comma, the constitution makers could have said so expressly as it did in Article 128 of the Constitution, full stop.